fairy castle, and this is the fairy castle. The Union flag flying high. Look at that beautiful thing. England, Scotland, although Northern Ireland is not really represented, which I find absolutely disgusting. That, you know, I mean, there should be something to denote Northern Ireland on there. I mean, look, or as my friends say, the north of Ireland. But Northern Ireland should be represented. I think, don't you? In the flag. A lot of my viewers also think that that basically oh, look at this guy here. Oh, here we have some cop. Let's get the cop in. Oh, like someone's trying to cross the road. Can you tell the difference? I can't really at this stage. I think the crop's more skillful with their driving. They know what they know how to drive properly. It's ambulance, not really. I think the training must be different. Anyway, so here we have the wonderful castle. I mean. That means to say no one's going in, no one's coming out. Those turrets mean, we will defend this building if we need be. Those little castellated tops there. So if you've got cover, and then you can fire out as well. Whether it's with weapon or rocks. So there you go. Very, very interesting. If you don't mind me saying. So anything else here? Helen is a great surname, I think. I think it's a wonderful place. Is that a door there? No. Oh, it's absolutely great. Look at that. Really good. Is that Stuart there? Delivery. Here's a nice bit of scaffolding there. Maybe it's some kind of bridge. This can't be a bridge. But yeah, quite good, isn't it? What else do we got? I think Nelson Mandela is quite admired down here. And we've got a lady down there. You see the local population? I see the local population down there. Yeah, all in all, it looks quite good, don't you think? Got more local population here. Yeah, so there you go. It's quite good. So I think Leicester is quite multicultural. So some areas very much so. You can smell it in the air. You know, the curries. Curries is actually more deep-rooted than fish and chips. Fish and chips only really since 1800s. Curries go back, I think, 1700s, maybe even 1600s. Yeah. Think of all the East India Shipping Company and all the spices they were bringing back. I mean, yeah. Some of it was seasoned with white pepper, but they wanted a bit of that Indian spice, if you know what I mean. So more population there. They look like they might be students there. Yeah, so that's it really on JC Audits. From the fairy tale castle, which is probably actually a prison. Bid you farewell, JCL.